Alright, so I'm out here early this morning. We got a lot of activity going on today. We got the septic crew back out. They're working over on the side here. As I mentioned yesterday, they're buttoning up the rest of that installation on the septic. I've also got a crew out here today. They brought a trencher. Let me pan around to that. They're going to trench out for the electrical and the water from the road. They're going to run those lines. Then they're going to get back underneath the house here, and they're going to work on connecting up all the drops out of the house to the septic, and of course the fresh water coming in too. You can see the trencher back there on the trailer. We're also going to be working today on getting the rest of this gravel laid out in this parking area. I just talked to the gentleman that's going to drive the skid steer, make sure we've got everything coordinated as far as how we want to get this done with that. This has kind of been a little bit of a dilemma working this parking area over. Primarily because when they did the foundation work, they discovered they were going to have to move the house over about 7 feet, and that took 7 feet off of our parking turnaround area. So we're going to need to get that going a little bit wider so we can do a turnaround in there. So that's what we got going on right now. As I mentioned, it's a flurry activity out here today. Once again, I can't say enough about this construction community out here. They're really pulling together, making this thing happen, getting things done in a timely fashion. I hope if you ever take on a project like this, that you can get yourself hooked in with a good crew, good multiple crews. Fortunately, with some of the contacts I've made throughout the planning and development of this project, you're going to probably lose my audio a little bit. We got a lot of equipment going on out here. Fortunately, I was able to make some good contacts and get some of the best people out here in this area, and obviously it shows. They're doing a fine job. I can't say enough about how everything's been working out with it. Alright, I'm going to go over here now and get with the driver on the skid steer, and he's going to take out a couple of old mesquite bushes for me, get rid of those, and then get that gravel spread. As I'm walking here, I'm seeing deer tracks, so we definitely got deer running around out here. That should be interesting. My dogs are gonna like that. We didn't have many deer out at the old ranch, but yeah, I'm seeing deer tracks in the ground. So okay, we're underway in the back here, tearing out that tree, and I'm gonna knock down some of that brush back there. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock off for now. Might start up again here, but we'll catch you all in a little bit. I gotta go talk to these guys, so we'll see you in a bit. Bye. You can see how easy these guys take this stuff down. I mean, they're pros. They've been doing this a long time. And, they just knock that stuff right out. There's that mystery finger coming in again. I gotta watch that. Alright, so I'm gonna pause again here, let them go to town. I don't want to get them too upset by me constantly running the camera on them, so let's pause again here.